Today I am going to share with you how to do with the glucometer device to check your blood glucose level. It is a very simple method. You can do it anywhere, any time of the day. You can check your blood sugar level. So what you need is, first of all, alcohol based hand sanitizer or any spirit. You will need a glucometer device. This is the glucometer device. You will need a strip which is like this, a strip which will be needed for your glucometer device. Then you will need a Lancet device, basically a device, pen like device, in which you will insert the needle, which we call the Lancet, and this is the needle which we say Lancet, the needle which is needed to prick. Later I will show you how it is as we proceed in this video. Then you will need a cotton to wipe the fingertip, and later to stop the bleeding after the prick has been done. So let us begin the glucometer device testing for blood glucose level. First of all, I sanitize my hand with alcohol based sanitizer. Then I take this Lancet device, I open the lid, or you can just pull it out. So this is kept here because later you will need it to put it back here. So this is the packet of Lancet, basically the needle which is used to prick the fingertip. So I have taken one out from inside and kept here for convenience. So you remove, so you take the Lancet and put into this Lancet device. Press it, it will be firmly attached to this device. Then you hold the tip here and remove the lid of this Lancet device. Now this lid is now taken out. Now you put back the lid of this device again, and it is put firmly. There will be numbers here, you can put as per your convenience. These numbers are indicating how deep it will go into the finger. So this is ready. So now we are ready to start to check the blood glucose level. Let us begin. First of all, I sanitize my hand with this alcohol based sanitizer or any other spirit which is available to you. So let me take out the strip from this, the glucometer strip, and after taking out, I insert the strip into this glucometer device. You can insert like this. Okay, then I take the Lancet device. Before that, I clean my fingertip with cotton. Now I will press this needle which is here through this Lancet device on the side of the fingertip. Now I will squeeze a little the fingertip so that blood will come there out, and I press the glucometer strip against the blood sample. Now the blood is collected on the strip. I'll press this with my cotton which I have so that the bleeding will stop. Now the reading has come out. It is now 106 milligram per deciliter. After I have noted this 106, I will record it in my health booklet so that I can show it to the doctor whenever he or she asks me about my blood sugar level anytime, and for my personal knowledge I will record it in my health booklet for future reference. After this is done, we have to take out the Lancet needle which is inside this Lancet device, so this need to be taken out. This and the glucometer strip need to be disposed at appropriate place of disposal, because these are biomedical waste. This need to be disposed at a proper place so that it is not harmful to anybody else. And now I can see my bleeding also has stopped. So I will discard the cotton, the lancet needle, the glucometer strip in an appropriate place. I will put back this lid of this device and keep it safely for the next time to use again to measure the blood glucose level. So measuring a blood glucose level is very simple. You need to have glucometer device and other requirements which are here, and as I explained to you. So it is very simple to measure your blood glucose level at home or any place, and especially if you are a diabetic, these simple instruments, glucometer device, the strip, the lancet device, and you need to have a cotton. That's it. And these are very simple. You can measure your blood sugar level anywhere, any place. So it is very comfortable to check by yourself the blood glucose level. I am sure that now you have known how to check blood glucose level by the glucometer device. So be comfortable, be confident, and there is nothing to worry. It is a very simple device, glucometer device, and it is very easy to operate it. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this presentation regarding the glucometer device, please like, and if you want to have regular updates regarding health and health related issues, and if you want to receive regular updates of my videos whichever I upload in this channel, please subscribe the channel and please continue to watch the videos which I upload in Dr. Akinclicks. Thank you very much.